In this video, I'm going to show you how to install XCIPTV Live TV to Firestick. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So the first thing we must do is to prepare our device for installation via the downloader app. So launch the downloader and click the search box to open it. So before we can install this, you need to download an app called Downloader. So just search it on your Fire Stick. So if you already have downloaded it, so it's an app that has a orange background. So after you've downloaded it, open it, and from here in the enter a URL box, simply type in 227869 and click go. So this points to an official APK source for XCIPTV. Now wait for the application to download and click install. Now click open and you're good to go. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.